Hello everybody and welcome to the basement parking lot. So apologize to have not very well lighting condition here since my new studio is still under decoration, so we have to make do today because I really want to show you how a total scan of a car works with the multi-station scanning. So this is the car. You don't really need to do any preparation of it unless you want to scan a very transparent glass, then you might want to put some scanning spray on it. Otherwise, then you don't have to do anything about it.
But surprisingly, I will demonstrate later, because of our high-powered laser, it can still capture a little bit of this transparent glass, maybe because of the tint is on there. But we'll show that some later. And also, the only prep you do need to do is just simply these marker block anchors. It's just the anchors when live we showed you how you have to place them. The tracker needs to see at least 5 of those as you're transitioning around the vehicle. And it comes with, when you buy your Trackit, it comes with 6 of the actual anchors, and then it also comes with these magnetic ones, 10mm size, really handy for anywhere that's magnetic. But then we also suggest for those spots like right here, this is plastic, not magnetic, we have the sticky 10mm ones too, that you could maybe add a few. But it's nothing like before when we have to load it up with markers. This is just simply anchors so that you can more easily transfer around the vehicle.
Yeah, because the tracker has a rather big FOV, so just make sure at least 5 in a view, in a frame, and it'll do.
Cool.
Okay, so here's what you can choose under multi-positional scan. And it'll ask you new global marker mode, so do click that. And normally you have 2 options. One is you capture all of the global marker, all these anchors at once. And you just don't click next stop because you have everything here in the first stop. Then you scan it one by one, station 1, station 2, station 3. Or that's because if you have me helping Travis to maneuver with the computer, if you are not very convenient to do that, you can only capture a group of the anchors and markers at a time, and then you can choose next stop to capture more. So in this case, we're going to just register all of these global markers at once by starting now. Okay, Travis, your turn.
All right, so we just kind of make sure Ash will always give me the cue that at least I have in the first station have captured a sufficient amount. And then I'll move it a little bit over. Because you want to make sure, and every time you capture them, you're still overlapping a little bit from the previous anchors. And as you can see, I have the actual scanner behind me. Don't lay it on the ground in front because that'll make the tracker itself think that's part of the global markers that you're trying to capture. So always keep that out of view. So we found that the easiest way is just to hold it and keep it behind you.
Okay, I got the cable. Go on.
Thank you, sir. And I'm kind of walking and pausing, but the reality is later, this is still earlier software. By the time you guys get your hands on it, you'll just be able to probably walk pretty smoothly all the way around. It won't even have to pause like this.
Yeah, as you can see on my screen, it's kind of jumpy right now. Promise you, this is just a temporary thing. It will be fixed when we ship it out.
We're almost to where we started. Overlapping of the anchors that we got when we originally started.
Yep, that's all.
That's all then.
Yep, okay. Okay, now next job is just to click this cloud scan. It'll take you to the point cloud scan. And since we're scanning a pretty big item, this car, so it's pretty self-explanatory to enable this large. And a target point distance will be auto set to 3mm. And you can also set it to 2 or 1 as you wish, but maybe not to a very small number because that'll take you a very long time to capture every surface of it. And also since this is pretty reflective, so we choose metallic shiny object. And let me decide still, let's choose 3 millimeter. Okay, off you go, Travis.
All right, appreciate it, Ash. And as you can see, we left the tracker itself where we stopped with capturing the global markers. And it makes sense too, so it's gonna be positioned over there, and I'll be able to freely scan the whole hood, because it's nice that it can see me. More so if I was positioned like this and it was here, it'd be kind of maybe a little cumbersome, but this is a good idea to have it this way. And then moving on down this side of the car, we'll have the tracker over there. But let's first capture the hood, and then you'll see the whole sequence and process.
Press M to zoom in.
I'm okay with this view right now. Yeah, everyone, if you ever want to zoom in, there is the M button on the scanner that I'm holding. I'll push right now and you can see what happens. For me right now though, I'm actually comfortable enough just keeping it the normal viewing pattern. So as you can see, I actually can still get really low with the tracker. I'm all the way down here and it's still picking up the markers on the scanner itself. When it comes to me maxing it out, right there is about me maxing out. So really perfect, just right as I get to the edge of the car here.
The maximum distance is 4 meters.
So like I was saying earlier, now it's like I can turn my back to it. It's just kind of annoying seeing it. So we'll pause it. And
actually, you can move the tracker even during mid-scan, if only you have, like us, you registered all of the global markers in the first round, then you can do that. Feel free to move it. If you have a friend to help you move the tracker, then perfect. Okay, next station.
This one is going to be tricky to see the computer though, from right doing that station.
No, not really.
Unless you hold it up. You want to hold it up right here, or I can put it on the hood?
Put it on the hood, since we have already scanned the hood.
That's a good idea. There we go.
Yep. Okay, good. Okay. Should be enough. Maybe a little bit more on this side, so. And guys, as you can see, why I actually shift it a little bit to the left is because both eye of the tracker must see the scanner. If we put it a little bit to the right, then one of the right eye will be covered and cannot see the scanner, which will cause losing track. But no worry, you can always change the position of it.
Just feel like I'm in a body shop painting this thing.
Okay, I think I see your max out, so let me just help you move towards it. Okay, go.
Thank you.
Okay, that's maxed out again.
Yeah, it's all right.
I don't think I want to move it forward more because we can put the tracker on the rear side.
No problem. Cool. Underneath there a little bit.
Okay.
These tires some more.
Nice.
Happy with that.
Okay, now station 3. Maybe here?
That sounds good.
Okay.
We'll go down this side of the car.
Yep. Maybe the cable should go along the other side, so I
So
don't
I'm not
interfere.
capturing that?
Yeah, so it won't interfere you. Okay. Okay, that's good.
Those rubbers on the laptop work pretty good. Not sliding off.
Yep. If you break that laptop good, I can get a 50 series graphic card one.
Right there is about our max. Draw a nice line down it. All right, Ash.
Okay.
Move it a little more
Move
this way.
forward. Hold on. Okay.
Excellent.
Good to go.
So here again, I mentioned earlier in the video with how powerful the laser is, it is actually picking up some of the window itself.
Oh, wow.
Maybe because of the tint, it shows how powerful the laser actually is. It's impressive.
The energy level must be high
Yeah.
on this one.
Translucent, right? But obviously if you really want to capture it, you probably still need to put some spray scan on there. Actually breaking a sweat in today's video.
Get it. Or I have a bold plan.
What is
Let's
this?
directly jump to the rear part.
Okay, okay. Let me try that.
Okay. Okay, good to go. You're too near. Okay, we're halfway there. Did we finish the car hood already?
The hood's done.
Okay.
Officially connected with the original point clouds.
That's a tight stitch.
Yeah.
Airtight stitch.
It's pretty much that. Obviously, if we felt like sweating more, or if we had AC, we could really take our time and capture more of those point clouds, but
Yeah,
mission
but so be
accomplished.
it. You missed a bit on the roof, you see?
Oh, there we go, yeah, at least fill that, and that's easy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so what I was just showing you is a temporary fix. The point cloud should be all right when we ship everything out to you. Okay, so now let's double check the overlap and finally we mesh it. Okay guys, so that's how you scan a car with Trackit. Pretty easy, right? You just need to either register all of the global markers or the anchor blocks in one run if you have a friend who willing to help you with that. Or if you're solo and you can't do that, you can choose to do it step by step, like maybe a quarter of the area at a time and repeat for 4 times and you should get it.
But of course, we want to stress this. This is still, even with this good of a result, this is still the early stages of the software. So it's only going to get better from here on out. So we look forward to when your Trackit arrives and you do some car scans. Well, you're going to be getting some awesome results, and we look forward to seeing those. Take care.
Bye-bye.